On the case of the 27-year-old software engineer who died after his car collided with a drainage boundary. He fell into a deep ditch in Noida, and this has sparked outrage among residents. How he, fell into this ditch due to visibility issues. Also, the fact that he kept pleading for his life, but he was not rescued in time, even though cops had arrived there. But now, news coming in that Noida cops have lodged an FIR against the builders. Remember, this was a construction pit, a pit of water left by a construction company into which the car of this poor techie, Yuvraj, drove into, and then he called his father. He even told his father he doesn't want to die, but he just could not be rescued in time, and finally he drowned. Well, let's go across to Shreya now for more on this issue. And Shreya, the cops have now filed a case against the construction company for negligence, but though questions have also been raised about the police's conduct. But first, tell us about this case that has been filed.
Well, that's right, Gargi. Noida Police has, in fact, registered an FIR against two builders. One is, of course, MG Vishran Planner Limited and Lotus Green Construction Private Limited, because they have been, there has been this completely abandoned basement of this under construction commercial project, which was being carried out by these two builders, and it was this entire water pit. It looked like a massive drain, but we understand how this 27-year-old Yuvraj, he was driving late at night, and because of the extremely poor visibility and dense fog conditions, he could not see that water pit right ahead of the curve of the road, and there was no hoardings, no sort of banners ahead of that curve that there was no way that Yuvraj could sort of sense that there was a water pit ahead, and the car sort of plunged into that excavated pit, and that led to this fatal accident. And remember that this entire area, there has been several complaints by the residents of the vicinity areas, but still Noida authority did not take any action, and therefore Noida Police has now finally registered an FIR against these two planners after the deceased father complained against these two planners. And of course today we saw massive protest and a candle march carried out by the residents of Noida. Back to you.